Hi, everybody. Today, we're going to talk about why patents are important. I'm JD Houvener, a patent attorney and owner here at Bold Patents Law Firm. I've helped inventors for over 10 years and filed thousands of applications for them and helped them earn over 300 patents as of today. I'm also the author of Bold Ideas, The Inventor's Guide to Patents. It's a book that walks all inventors through how to get started with inventing. So today's topic is awesome. It's why patents are important. And this is why it's so near and dear to me and why I've dedicated my career to it. So I get to elaborate for a bit today on this topic. So I'd say the first and foremost reason why they're important is they can provide so much confidence. That's right, confidence. That's probably not the word you were thinking of when you thought about patents, why getting an exclusive right to prevent anyone else in the world from making, using, or selling. But honestly, it's not so much about the technology in the actual patent that's getting granted. I see it, and this is in 10 plus years of doing this, as a way to build confidence for an entrepreneur, for a business owner, a founder, to say, you know what? This is true. This is validated. Whatever I'm moving forward with, whatever I've discovered actually is real, and I can hang on to this, right? And use this as a cornerstone for my business, a cornerstone for making an impact in the world, even if that's through licensing or partnering with another company or selling your patent portfolio. Even if you're not the one, if you're the founder, the inventor, you're not the one bringing that product to market, you have contributed, you've added to the world's knowledge base. That's so huge. And I think having that, even though it's technically an intangible asset, having something physical, even the paper, right? And now they're actually, the patent office is phasing out of physical copies. They're doing electronic digital grant, which I think is great to have paperless, less impact, more sustainable. But it's that as soon as that digital grant is made, there's an emotional sense that, wow, I own something. This is real. Okay, it's real. And so that confidence really translates. I would say number two is the lasting, right? The sustainability, how long the laws have been around and how little they've actually changed in the almost 250 years that they've been in force, right? Since the Constitution signing, so it's over 200 years, the Constitution has laid out the provisions for exclusive rights for the inventors to get for up to 20 years to be the only player, only person, only individual, only company in the whole world that can make and use and sell it. Now, I say the whole world, but each country has to work together. That's a bit more complicated. So let's keep it just within the US for now. And so that's a huge market. And that major benefit has been the same, right? Over the years, sure, there's been some, small adjustments, some rulings by the Supreme Court, Federal Circuit that have changed our scope of, what eligibility means or what patentability might mean. But the overall policy, the overall sense that, yes, we're still willing over these hundreds of years, laws haven't changed. This is such an important thing for our country to be able to move forward and progress and learn more. Honestly, educate everyone in the industry that you're inventing in. Because of that, patents have persisted. They have stayed around and they're not going anywhere. That's why I love this area of law, why I hope to be able to have, build a fruitful law firm to continue to grow and serve more inventors, because this is a lasting area of the law that will not go away because of how important the policy is for patents. So I would say the third topic of why patents are so important is because of the detail, And the words are devils are in the details, but the truth and the knowledge is in the detail. And patent attorneys are required to have a 4-year undergraduate Bachelor of Science degree or an equivalent level of courseload. And so it's a huge, difference in terms of who a patent attorney is versus a regular attorney that might go to trial or represent you in front of, a bankruptcy panel. A patent attorney has a technical knowledge, has gone through a lot of what most founders and inventors have gone through in the creation, in the education they've had. And so the details, the technical issues, those are laid out with joy, right? Your patent attorney will be able to sit down with you and write out those details so that your broad rights, right, your claim scope will be as good as possible. And I think that's important to get right. Like many things with the engineering world, whether that's a structure for a building or a bridge, certainly very, very important to get accurate and correct. So too your invention. We don't want to just gloss over the details because those details matter and can actually have major impact on your scope of rights. And again, going back to number 2, informing the public, informing us in the country exactly how it is you made what you made. So the next inventor can see what you've done and add the next level, add the next block, right? Improve and move us forward into the future. All right, everybody, I hope this has been good educational for you as to why patents are important and why my belief in patent law is so strong. All right, everybody, I'm JD Houvener, patent attorney, owner, and founder here at Bold Patents Law Firm. Have a wonderful day ahead. Go big, go bold.